Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the QnA3.AI token. Big enough name or what? So yeah, this token just got a bunch of brand new central exchange listings starting today. We're going to go over a couple of them. Ticker symbol is GPT. We're going to go over the info on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this is a brand new, well, somewhat new, sorry, but brand new listings today. This token got a whole bunch of brand new central exchange listings. The first one here, it got listed today on MEXC Global. So today is February 28th. It got listed at 12 o'clock UTC time on MEXC Global. So if you wanted to get this token, if you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol GPT1 and then simply just buy the token. Now on MEXC, they have it listed as GPT1 because there's already been a token come out with GPT as the ticker symbol previous to this. So that's how you don't get confused, right? So GPT1 on MEXC Global, that's what you would search. It also got listed today on COINEX Global. Same steps as I just said. I do have a COINEX Global referral code down there, so check that out. And it is listed as GPT on COINEX Global. Very low fees on both exchanges. COINEX Global has some very low fees if you've never used it. And so yeah, trading opened today, February 28th at 13 hours UTC time on COINEX. So QnA Web3 tackles the information overload challenge by providing a one-click gateway to the vast world of Web3 information and knowledge. This accessibility is pivotal in enabling regular users to engage in cryptocurrency investment decisions more rationally and intelligently. QnA3.AI doesn't just offer access to information, it also provides sophisticated logical analysis capabilities, allowing users to not only gather data, but also to understand and interpret it effectively. So QnA3 is an AI-powered Web3 knowledge engine and intent-centric trading platform. As the largest application in the AI crypto domain, QnA3 offers comprehensive services to a vast number of Web3 users featuring crypto, chat, GPT1, intent-centric trading, and deep-in innovation. So I was going to say at the beginning, I said this is a brand new token, but I meant to say brand new listing. I corrected myself. This is not a brand new token. This is on the BEP20. This is a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain. And if you look at their BSC scan, 49,508 holders already, 18 decimal places on this token, and a max total supply of 1 billion GPT tokens. Now, they have a document section, docs.QnA3.AI, where you can just go to their webpage, QnA3.AI. But yeah, tons of information on their document section. We're not going to go over the whole thing. Like, even their vision statement is gigantic. So, like, they want to build on the ethos of democratizing AI and reshaping the crypto landscape. QnA3.AI stands as a beacon of community-driven innovation, immense power of AI should not be confined to a select few. So those are their visions. They're in a nutshell, but their vision statement is gigantic. It says QnA3 tackles this challenge head-on by providing one-click gateways to the vast world of Web3 information and knowledge. This accessibility is pivotal in enabling regular users to engage in cryptocurrency investment decisions more rationally and intelligently. So QnA3 doesn't just offer access to information, it also provides sophisticated logical analysis capabilities, allowing users to not only gather data, but also to understand it and interpret it effectively. So leveraging the advancements in large language models, the QnA3 team has masterfully integrated cutting-edge data engineering with the advanced logical analysis skills of these models. So our system filters through extensive data, recompiling and restructuring it to deliver not only accurate information, but also meaningful insights and analysis. This functionality is key in helping users eliminate noise and gain meaningful insights, thereby assisting them in building robust cognitive systems and frameworks for decision making. Beyond information gathering and analysis, QnA3 closes the functional loop by offering comprehensive one-click trading capabilities. Users can seamlessly transition from learning and analysis to executing actual trading actions, thereby applying their newly acquired knowledge in practical scenarios. So over the past 6 months, the QnA3 team has introduced the crypto industry's most intelligent AI Q&A bots. Now, the GPT token stands at the forefront, empowering users to seamlessly navigate and leverage the Web3 landscape. So they have interactive question engagement, extended query quotas, advertisement and sponsorship incentives tied to trading functions, enhanced governance and user experience, exclusive content access. Those are just some of the features that are enabled with the GPT token, along with the whole governance DAO and ethical committee. You can learn all about that as well. They have a whole section on technology, token sales, tokenomics, airdrop strategy, activity rules, links, product overview, etc. Just tons of info on here. The token is split up basically with treasury, team, advisors, investors, AI, ecosystem fund, protocol development, market maker, airdrop, and OKX jumpstart. So check this token out. Lots of holders already. Big listings starting today. COINEX Global, MEXC Global. Check those both out in the description box down there. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.